Hello friends, let's solve this question. We have to find the similarities with respect to real components like resistances or capacitors. Okay, as we can see that here is current is flowing. As we know that current equals to flow of charge per second. Okay, so here charge is flowing. Okay, charge is flowing to this first tank. Okay, as we know that only capacitor have the ability to store the charge. Okay, and this tank also represent as a capacitor, so we name it capacitor 1. Okay, after filling this tank, okay, this narrow pipe try to restrict the flow of charge. Okay, so restrict behavior represents resistor. Okay, only resistor have ability to restrict the flow of charge, so this narrow pipe represent as resistor 1. Okay, and again this tank is filling, so capacitor only have the ability to store the charge, and this tank is capacitor 2. Okay, and this pipe also try to restrict the flow of charge, so we name it resistance 2. Okay, when we find the similarities between the coupled tank and electric equivalent circuit, when current is flowing, so first goes to the A, which is represented by capacitor. Okay, this A is capacitor, and again B represent as R. Okay, since it's try to restrict the flow of charge, so B is resistor, and this C also again become a capacitor, as this tank represent as storing charge. Okay, so C is capacitor, and again this pipe represent as resistor because it try to restrict the flow of charge. So as it is current, and this is capacitor, this is capacitor, this is resistor, and this is resistor. So according to this, if we check, A and C are capacitors, A and C are capacitors, B and D are resistors, so option D is correct answer. Okay, A and C are capacitors. Okay, B and D are resistors. Okay, so option B is correct.